let's check out probably the coolest cheap wireless headphones that you can currently purchase. And this is a P9 model. You can clearly tell where they have actually taken their inspiration from. And this is what the box of the P9 headphones actually look like. So we can actually get them in various different colors. And inside the box we do get the headphones itself, a short charger lead like this, and also a short manual. And you can pause the video if you want to see what these can do. When it comes to the style and design, these actually look really cool, well, at least from a distance. When it comes to the build quality, it's probably what you can expect to get from such cheap headphones. The top part over here is all made from hard plastic. When it comes, for example, these fine details, they are simply painted like plastic again. So there are pretty much zero metal parts on these headphones. So when it comes to functions, however, they're actually kind of feature packed. So we have 4 buttons over here. You can turn them on. You can also skip the tracks or pause them, and also answer calls on them as well. Increase the volume with these as well. And over here you even have the slot for a memory card. So I guess you can even like insert memory card in these and listen without any phone whatsoever. And also we have the like micro USB charger, and also we can plug in a wire as well. So when it comes to features, these actually are really decent. Also the outer shell on these actually look kind of cool as well. Definitely in the video I think it actually looks really cool. So unless you actually take these in hand and inspect closely, they actually look fairly nice, at least design wise. Also we can fully adjust these headphones just as we need really, and you can even place them in a bag like this to save space. So also these are also adjustable, so these can be used by pretty much any person. So even if you are adult or a small kid, these will fit you perfectly. Also what I really like about these adjustments is that they are actually kind of stiff. So you need some force basically to engage and basically make them larger or smaller. They're actually very sturdy. When it comes to the quality of the pads, well, I would say they are probably acceptable for the price these headphones cost. So there is some padding, and yeah, this part basically is actually really decent. However, actually when you wear the headphones, I wouldn't say they are the most comfortable headphones basically. And yeah, even in this price range I think there are more comfortable headphones, because I think maybe they needed to add a bit more padding, so this like driver side doesn't protrude as much outside. So when you wear them, basically your ears basically rest almost on these, and these are kind of hard actually. But apart from that, for the price you're paying, yeah, can't really complain much. Next, let's check out the sound quality on these headphones. When it comes to the sound quality, actually I'm not super impressed with the sound quality on these, and they actually sound just like very cheap headphones basically. Again, for the price, that's what you can expect. So but when we compare, for example, like $10 or $12 Sony wired headphones, these Sony definitely sound way better. So the sound quality, yeah, I wouldn't really suggest these if you are a big sound guy basically and want the best sound quality. Maybe if you are just listening to some YouTube videos and do not listen music much and do not need the best quality, these probably are okay. And I think the cheaper wired Sony headphones are the best sounding headphones in the market at that price. So overall, are these actually worth it, and should you get them? Well, it really depends on what you are going to be using them for and how much they actually cost for you. For example, during some promo, I only literally paid $1 for these things, and for that price, obviously, they actually look really cool. And the sound quality, just for some like listening, maybe some podcasts or YouTube videos, they are really just fine probably and okay. Overall, still very cool headphones. Anyway, good luck.